Hi guys, and welcome back to my beauty glam channel. Thank you so much for being here. So today we're going to be unboxing a PR package that I got from the brand Phyto Swiss Cosmeceuticals. So if you're interested and would like to see what did they send me, then please stay tuned. Hola chicos y chicas, hoy vamos a estar abriendo un paquete de PR, de una compañía que me envió unos productos gratis, y si quieren ver qué hay dentro, pues sigan viendo. Okay guys, so this is it right here. As you can see, it has a total of 6 products, so we will be going in one by one. Como pueden ver, tiene un total de 6 productos aquí adentro. So, vamos a abrirlo y ver qué hay adentro. También me viene con esto. It also comes with this. So it kind of tells us information about each and every product. So let me go ahead and open this. Okay. There we go. So starting with the first one, this is a cell rejuvenation cleanser. So the first one is a cleanser. The second one is a facelift serum. Interesting. The third one is eye contour serum. The fourth one is Tri-Active Moisturizer. And lastly but not least, it is the Lip Enhancer Complex. Interesting. That is really cute. And it also comes with a little brush applicator. Okay guys, so as you can see, I pulled my hair back. I'm going to show you guys how to put on all these products. So let's go in with the cleanser. So I have my bowl right here of water, and then I just have a little towel to dry my face. So vamos a comenzar. Voy a estar enseñando cómo utilizar estos productos. So como pueden ver, ya me puse el pelo para atrás. Tengo mi bowl de agua y tengo una toallita para secarme la cara. So, vamos a comenzar esto como un limpiador para limpiar o sacarte el maquillaje. Okay, so let's see. It says, apply a very small amount to damp face and massage into skin. Leave on for 1 minute and then wash off. And then it says if you have aging or UV damaged skin, leave on for 2 minutes or longer, then wash off. Okay. So prácticamente si te lo dejarías por 1 minuto, y si tienes la piel como más dañada o algo así, con más acné, pues te lo dejaría 2 minutos. So I'm applying it right here. Doing 2 pumps of that, and then I'm gonna wet my hands. And as you can see, it's getting white, so estamos aplicando y limpiando la cara o sacando cualquier maquillaje que tenga. Just tapping the face and taking that off. So we can go with our next step. So secándome la cara para que podamos pasar al próximo paso. Okay, so this smells really good, by the way. Okay, so what's next? Let's see. So after the cleanser is the face lifting serum. I'm really excited about this one. Face lifting serum. Okay, so ahora le sigue el aceitito que es para la cara, como dice, para levantar la cara. So it says apply Liberty to clean face using upward and downward motions. And then it says allow to dry for 10 minutes, relax, and do not talk, smile, laugh, or move your face. Okay, so okay, so let's see if it's really a 10-minute miracle. Okay, so dice que te lo apliques en la cara y no puedes ni hablar, ni sonreír, ni reírte, ni mover la cara en absoluto por 10 minutos. So let's do this. Alright, so as you can see, I'm grabbing the product. Oh wow. Okay. Let's apply. And I will come back after it's been 10 minutes. Okay, time is up. Oh my god. I can't move my face. Like, you can even tell. This is incredible. Wow. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. So after that, it says after 10 minutes, wash off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Siento la piel bien apretada, como jalándola así para atrás. Como pueden ver, no puedo ni casi ni hablar. Por eso es que te dice que no hables ni te rías ni hagas movimientos ninguno con la cara. Como pueden ver, lo tengo en toda la cara. Wow. No, chicos, este producto está brutal. Okay, babes, so I'm back. I just took all that off, and now we're going to go in with the eye contour serum. Okay, so ahora vamos a entrar con este. My hands are slippery. There we go. Okay, so let's see. It says apply a small amount to area around the eye, including above the eye. And then it says it contains the only ingredient clinically proven to firm sagging skin above eyes. Wow. Okay, so vamos a aplicar esto en la área de los ojos. Este es el aceitito para los ojos. So debajo de los ojos y como arriba de los ojos. So grabbing, as you can see right there. Let me get my mirror out. And apply this to all this area right here. And upward motions. And swiping and kind of lifting that eye. And then it also says you can around, like right here, you can apply that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit, little baby bit, as you can see, and apply that to the top. And right now I can just tell you guys that it feels very, very refreshing. So this is the moisturizer. And then for the moisturizer, apply to entire face and neck area. Massage into skin until absorbed. Okay, I'm gonna shake it a little bit. So este es el moisturizer, como un hidratante. Y vamos a aplicarlo en la piel. So I'm going to do 2 pumps on each side. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. Little quick rundown on prices. So this is the cleanser. The cleanser is $29.99. Sol cleanser is $29.99. The face serum, which was definitely my favorite, is $59.99. El serum está a $54.99. So ese era el aceitito. This is the moisturizer, and this is $64.99. El hidratante para la piel está a $64.99. Y obviamente tus productos son más grandes, o por eso que están más caros. This is the eye contour, and the eye contour is $54.99. And then lastly but not least, it is the lip enhancer, I'm sorry, and this is $32.99. So este cuesta $32.99. And then this is what I have, which is the little traveling size, and for all of this, travel size is 40, I'm sorry, I can't see. Oh, okay, it's $47.58. So that is not bad at all. So por todos estos productos, el kit que yo tengo, que es cómodo para viajar, es $47.58. So as you guys can see, that's the one that I have. And then you can see that these are like the other things. So if you guys are interested, definitely check them out on Instagram. Si están interesados, chequenlo en Instagram. And yeah guys, that's all I have for you today. I will definitely continue using this. Voy a continuar utilizando estos productos. Son muy buenos, and definitely that facelifting was game changer. We'll definitely be using that. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So por favor suscríbanse y no se olvide prender la campanita para que no se pierdan de mis videos. And with that said, I will see you guys on the next one. Nos vemos en la próxima. Chao.